done, girl.
Zoe, what did you think of Ciara's performance?
Wow, girl, that was so beautiful. That was such a pretty vocal. You sang that so beautifully and you controlled it so well. It was such a good song choice. I think it suited you really well. I love the little tribute to Manchester as well. I think that's really sweet. The only thing I can say is just don't hold back. When you're up on that stage, just let it go. Because I can see like you're just holding back. You're unsure whether to hold on. Do it. Because do it. But well done. Thank you.
Kelly?
I love the fact that you chose this song on this particular day to sort of like honour what happened in Manchester. I think that's a really sort of like a lovely thing to sort of like inspire you and for you to show. I personally thought that was the best I've heard you vocally. I think you can tell that you've really worked hard, and you can see how much growth that you've had from last week to now. It was much more controlled. You had some really lovely moments in that song. It was, and even the way that you performed, you seemed so much more comfortable and confident. I thought it was really lovely. You should be very proud of what you just did. Well done.
Thank you.
Louise?
Hiya, babe. Yeah, I thought that was a really nice performance. I think you've got lots and lots of potential. You've got a nice range there. I think you can build on that and explore that a lot more in terms of like power. My issue was that I didn't think it went anywhere really, but it was for what it was, for what the song was. I thought it was really pretty and nice. There were some tuning issues. You were kind of in and out now and again, but it all comes with practice and just dedication to this process. That's what we're all here for, is to help you with things like that, and just work on your diction a little bit. But you've got a really pretty tone. That natural tone is really pretty, really sweet. So I really enjoyed it. But yeah, like I said, lots of potential, and well done for coming out here and representing what you did today as well. So I thought it was a lovely performance. Be proud of it, and then work hard. And I can't wait to see how much you improve. Well done, babe.
Ciara, yeah, again, like I said, I say this every week too, but there is so much work to be done. Like, that is the reality of it. There is a lot of work to be done in terms of diction and how you're pronouncing things and your breathing and your pitching. Everything got to be fixed and polished up. We're well aware of that. I've told you that from the get-go. I'll be honest with you, like, we're only, 3 weeks in, but Kelly, you picked up, like, in terms of a control, this is the best you've seen so far, and it really is. Like, when you came into this with zero experience, just singing in your bedroom, you didn't know what pitch meant, you didn't know what vibrato meant, didn't know, pardon me, and in the studio, you'd say to me, well, what is that, Joe? What's that? You know, and I'm advising you and letting you know what things are, and you're like, literally zero mental knowledge of what vocal is, you know? So this is very clear cut from like starting off. So yeah, you're not 100% to your fullest potential yet, but we are seeing improvements, little improvements week by week. And that's why you deserve credit, because you are committed, you work really hard. I've seen the stuff, like as soon as you go from the studio, you're on it, you're focused. Keep being committed, you are improving each time we see you. That's all we need to see. Well done.
Thank